name Faimal Hassan. I am describe my Excel file. This is my Excel file. This report provides a comprehensive explanation of each sheet in the logistic delivery data sheet. The file contain multi-type sheet, each serving a unique purpose in understanding, analyzing, and cost and operation efficiency. This is my Excel sheet. First, we show the first sheet titled Total Cost by Route. Total cost by route contain a profit table that show the sum of delivery cost between different origin and destination cities. For each row uh, representing an origin city and each column representing a destination city, the table lists the total delivery cost. For the example, the total cost of Alidia to Brisbane router in 154. Brisbane is total is 154.905 AUD. The sheet is essential for manager to compare cost across routers and focus on those that are most expensive, thereby identify opportunity to optimize resource and reduce overall spending. Um, Now, the second sheet, cargo type analysis. The cargo type analysis summarizes delivery performance by different cargo types such as clothing, food, electronics, and construction material. For each cargo type, the average distance traveled and the average fuel cost are calculated. For instance, um, cover an average distance of 1780 km with an average fuel cost is 1511 ARD. We see this graph. Uh, This analysis is valuable because it reveals which categories of goods are more expensive to transport and allow compressive to structure, price and contract accordingly. So now this is my third sheet. That third sheet track type type performance. Performance by track type. It counts the number of delivery categories as delivery various delay. For example, flatbed trucks completed 455 delivery on time but had 153 delays. Similarly, heavy duty trucks delivery 4 to 8 orders with 144 delays. This information highlights which truck types are more reliable and which may require maintenance or replaced due to frequency delay. Frequency delay. Uh, Sorry, sir. Now, here now now Here we look logistic delivery data. Logistic delivery data is the master data sheet and service as the foundation for all analysis. It contains detailed record of each delivery, including delivery ID, truck ID, driver ID, sorry, sir. This is logistic delivery data sheet. So These recorded for all analysis. It contains detailed record to each delivery, including delivery ID, truck ID, driver ID, or origin, destination, cargo type, truck type, distance, dispatch, and delivery datasheet. Status of delivery on everything here. It also contains correlation values such a relationship between distance and fuel cost. The sheet is critical as the provide the raw data needs to build all profit tables, charts, and statistical models is the workbook. Now this is now this is fuel cost and total cost. The fuel cost and total cost focus on the role of fuel. Total cost of the role of fuel. Total cost of the fuel. Uh, Total role of fuel expensive overall delivery cost. That it show fuel cost and total cost side by side for each delivery. In some cases, fuel cost account for over 90% of the total cost. Such a delivery with fuel expense of 3824 AUD contributing to a total cost of 4083 AUD. This sheet highlights the significance of fuel in logistic operational and underscore the importance of fuel efficiency strategy. Now, this is my 7 sheet. The name is distance and total cost. Distance and total cost explains the relation between distance traveled and the overall delivery cost. It shows that longer distance often result in higher cost. Also, the increase is not uh, always linear because other factors such tools and cargo type also include the total. For example, here a delivery of 201 kilometers cost 483 AUD, which is delivery which is delivery of 3270 kilometers. Its cost 4170 AUD. These analyses help identify where uh, cost rise with distance. Now we talk distance and fuel cost. This is my 8 sheet. Distance and fuel cost, especially compress distance with fuel cost. Fuel composition is stronger and this distance as shown by data sheet as a 201 kilometer delivery required 801 AUD in fuel compressed to a 3236 kilometer delivery costing 3824 AUD in fuel. We look this show this view this information. This reinforces the importance of managing distance and route efficiency to control cost. Now this 9 sheet bar chart. Bar chart is total delivery cost by truck type. It show, for example, that flatbed trucks account for 101.12 million AUD is total cost. Heavy duty trucks for 1016 million AUD and light duty trucks for 1.11 million AUD. This information is vital to assess which categories of trucks contribute most of overall cost and may need closer monitoring. Now this is trucks plot distance and versus fuel. Uh, Content the data sheet for a second chart plotting distance against fuel and cost. This allow managing to visually compass truck efficiency. This is my this is my 10 sheet regression analysis. This is applies statistical modeling to examination for relationship between distance, fuel, and total cost. The result shows very strong correction with a R square value. It means 0.981, meaning that 98% of the variation is total cost can be explained by distance and fuel. This provides that these variables are reliable of delivery cost and can be used for cost estimation. Now this is my 12 sheet name. This 12 sheet name is line chart. The line chart monthly delivery trends provides data for a line chart that tracks total cost, distance, fuel cost, and toll charge across delivery data. This chart is particularly useful for identify seasonally off or monthly functionation. For example, there are many. Notable scripts in December due to higher demand during a holiday season. Understanding these patterns help ease capacity planning and budgeting. Now this is my last sheet. Name is heat map. Heat map route cost intensity is a pivot table similar of the first sheet but formatted as a heat map. The color intensity highlights the most expensive route, make it easy to identify costly connection. For instance, Brisbane to Perth, Aldia to Brisbane routed applies primarily as high cost area. This tool is valuable for quickly smooth identify an area for cost reduction. So together this sheet provide a holistic view of logistic operational. The range for raw data to visual dashboards and predictive analysis, allowing managers to track performance. So understand cost driver and make informed discuss to improve efficiency and reduce expense. This is my parts, sir. Thank you so much. Give me an opportunity.